Greetings RC fans, Happy New Year, welcome to 2024 and welcome back to the channel, welcome to Sharky's Garage. Today I have got an unboxing and probably going to be a build. This in front of me is one of my Christmas presents from my brother Keldon Raven, hence why it might be red, but I don't think they do this in blue. Because it's a Ferrari, and although I'm not the biggest fan of Ferraris, I am a fan of F1, and this is a Ferrari F1 and SF 1000. It is a fully licensed RC, 2.4 gigahertz, 1/16 scale, although it does run on AA batteries. The car itself runs on 3 batteries, which means it's 4.5 volts, and the controller runs on 2 batteries. So, don't know whether I'll be able to speed run this. It is absolutely tipping it down at the minute. The plan for today is I am going to give you the box overview, as I always do, drink some coffee, because I like coffee, and then I'm planning to build this, and then we'll hopefully run it around inside here. If I get the opportunity, I'll do a speed run with it, but that may have to come on another day when it is dry outside. I'll probably pull the GoPro out and do a time lapse for the build, but let's get into it. Before we get into all of that, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. So Rastar make a number of licensed kits, because these are kit builds. So they're like an Airfix model kit or something like that, but they come with all the RC stuff to it. They're all licensed. They do a number of Ferraris, they do Lamborghinis, they do a number of other things. And as I say, this was my Christmas present from my brother Keldon Raven. This one is item number 97000, which is the Ferrari SF 1000. You can find these on all sorts of places. I found them online from $29.99 to $39.99. $39.99 on Amazon seems to be sort of at the only place. It is an assembly model kit, 1/16. See that there. Give you the run over all of that. You know me and my boxes. Complete engine bay detailing, solid synthetic rubber tyres, realistic reduction interior, ready to assemble. Model may vary from image on the box. Interesting. Nice get out of jail free card. I started off on the other side because this gives a little bit away, but it's actually like that on the sprues. So like a proper model kit. Let me just pause the video for a second and I will pull it out of the box. Right, so as you can see, it is like a standard model kit. Excuse me a second, I'm going to take a sip of coffee. You've got all the parts on the sprues. Highly detailed, it's like the battery tray for the bottom. Steering wheel, part of the halo that goes around to protect the driver. Got the very hard rubber tyres. The remote control, which is very much like the skid steer, so I doubt this is going to be proportional control. So I'm going to need a pair of scissors to take everything out of the bags. Rims. Main part of the body, rear, the chassis. These look like how you're clicking the wheels in. These look like Technic Lego click together bits. For those of you that have done Lego, it does very much look like technical Lego pieces. Then we've got the electronics. So this looks like this is the battery pickups. We've got a plug-in unit there, which I would assume is the ESC. Very smart and neatly done. There is the rear axle driveline assembly, all in one with the motor built in there. I'm not expecting lots of speed out of this thing because, you know, it's AA batteries and you're not going to get a very big motor in there. And then the steering assembly on the front, which again I would suspect is motor driven. We've got quite a chunky manual in black and white. It's saying knife, tweezers, scissors, flat nose pliers. I've already pulled out my pair of snips. Detailed instructions of going through, putting it all together. The decal sheet, I'll show you the decals in a minute. So it's a 36-page manual. And then the licensed decals. So that's everything that's in the box. I'm going to free it all from its plastic packaging, lay it all out, and then get back to you. Right, I've laid all the parts out. All this wasted plastic. It could have all been put into the box in there, but you know, hey ho. So let's have a look through what we've actually got here, because there's a lot of stuff in there. These have a carbon fibre look to some of the pieces, which I think looks really nice. The bucket seats, these are steering, but looking at making it look like fake brake rotors. Bottom battery tray, obviously. These pieces are in the same sort of material. The way I've laid it out, move you around. Right, so the way I've laid it out, I've got the electronics across the front here. The main chassis in the middle, top piece at the back. The tyres, quite nice. They've got a rubberisation to them. They look like they're moulded onto a hard plastic. They should be quite good. We've got the wheel rim inserts, which I'm sure just click into those. Now, regarding the sticker sheet, most models, they suggest you putting the stickers on when it's all put together, but in my experience, it's sometimes a lot easier to apply the stickers before you actually build it, because you can actually position things more easily because you're only maneuvering one small piece. So I may put the stickers on before I put it together, as opposed to doing that, because, you know, I think that may give me a better finished result. I know that my friend Rob Allen, formerly of Wallside, now of Diecast Wars Racing, he is an absolute Ferrari F1 fan. He's Scuderia all the way, and I'm sure he'll be watching this with great interest. So hi Rob. I'm going to get this all put together, and I know he'll cane me if I get it wrong when I put it together. So I'm going to pause this main part of the video now. I'm going to set up the time lapse. If there's any particular bits, I may jump them in, but it's pretty straightforward. The instructions in here are really straightforward. Goes through all the parts, and I'm just going to get it built, and then we'll go from there. Right folks, unfortunately real life is getting in the way. Today is Tuesday the 2nd of January and I need to get a video up for you on the 5th of January, and I'm not going to be able to get this done and so that I can edit it and get it done in time for you if I don't close the video out now. So this is going to be part one. Part two, I will do a time lapse of actually building all of this, putting all the stickers on, all of that, do a first run on it, thoughts and impressions. Thank you very much for watching today. I really appreciate you all. I hope you had a good Christmas. I hope 2024 is a better year for everyone. 2023 has been not great for a lot of people. So don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment, subscribe, leave us something interesting down in the comment section, and I'll catch you all in the next video. And we'll probably finish this off in a couple of weeks' time, and I'll hopefully bring you something different next week.